guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody is having a great day today. As you can hear, Chloe is in here. She is chewing on a bottle, so I do apologize if you can hear all of that. Also, yes, I look a wreck. I'm still getting used to the night shift thing, but it's going great. I did get my nails redone. I got them cut down and I broke one, which is why I had to get them redone. But before I go to work tonight, I got some friend mail and I wanted to go ahead and open it. So this is how it came. I am not the cat lady, but this is from Miss Brenda Hipp. I have gotten friend mail from her before. Now the deal with this friend mail is when I got my Jeffree Star mystery boxes, when I ordered them, they had gotten lost. So I reached out to the company and let them know that they hadn't moved in like 8 days. They assured me that they were lost and that they would resend them out. Well, when I got them, I got the Blood Money alligator crossbody bag that I'm never going to use. And then I had the leftover Norvina ABH Volume 3 palette. So we ended up doing some swapping and trading because she's all about that bag. But I will say, and I wanted the lip gloss Lord Star. That was one of the lip glosses I wanted. I got two from the Orgy collection, so that was another thing that we traded for. But I will tell you that my boxes that got lost did come in. And I did finally get my first makeup bag from Jeffree Star, and I got my lip gloss in Lord Star. So now I have a backup, which I'm totally okay with. So let's go ahead and get in here and see what all other goodies she sent me. So I will leave Brenda's IG in the description box of this video. Do go over, check her out. Brenda's a great person. She is such an amazing friend. She usually sends me snacks for Chloe, and she told me this time that she forgot, but that they will be in the next one. Well, Miss Brenda has gotten my dog hooked on the chicken beef jerky strips that are like $21 a bag. So that is what Miss Chloe eats now. They are her favorite, and that is all thanks to Brenda. Chloe's looking at me like, Mom, don't be telling them. Anyway, Brenda always tapes the boxes so that they are good to go, and this is what it looks like when I open it. Open on camera for video. Love you. No sneaky peeky. 101 made. Cut tape. Yeah, hear me. LOL. Okay, so we'll see what she... There are people in our lives who are so generally kind-hearted. Pretty flower. It says, smile because I love you, and so does God. Can't wait to get my Jeffree Star green alligator crossover purse. ABH3 palette. Can't wait. A few surprises from you, because yes, I'm putting in some extras for her, just because, why not? Love you more, your friend Brenda, always. I meant to get dog treats. Got cat 101. See if Chloe eat it. Up to you. Love you, Chloe. That's sweet. It says, appreciating them just comes naturally. Thank you. Thank you so much for trading. In case anyone says anything, my girl told me Life's a Drag MUA is not being made anymore. Beccas a sweetheart, very honest. Leave my girl alone, y'all. Hear me, LOL. Because, yes, one of the things that we traded for was the Manny MUA Life's a Drag palette. I do not have that palette. The only palette I have of Manny MUAs is the Morphe X Manny palette. When I left my husband and moved, I sold all of my Manny palettes, and I'm slowly but surely going to recollect them, but to start it off, we are going to start off with Life's a Drag, which they don't make that anymore. And I was honest with her when she offered it. I had to be. I just worked that way, so I wanted to make sure that she knew that it was a discontinued palette and to be positive that she wanted to trade for it. So she did, and I'm super excited about it. So this is the first thing, all bubble wrapped. Oh, this is the Fancy Feast Seafood Bisque and Accents of Real Lobster, to see if Chloe will try it. And Chloe's over here sniffing it. So possibly we will see. What do you think? Maybe. Then she sent me a Benefit They're Real Magnet mascara. I have not tried this. I know this is a fairly new mascara. The Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the clear brow gel. Now, when I got my last one, it was tinted. So I'm all about the clear ones. I think I like them better anyway. Even if I mess up, you're not really going to see it. So it works for me. Then we have a liquid cat suit. I love those. I have a whole thing full over there. I'm not going to be able to tell you what shade because I can't see it. I don't have my big lights on. They're still over there. Like I said, I just wanted to get this recorded and open so I don't fall behind. With starting a new job, that does happen. Oh, that's a pretty bag. Isn't that so cute? Oh, look at the pool. I like that. It says Your Magic. I like that. That's a pretty, pretty bag. Oh, and more stuff for the boogie. And this is Bella Natural Dog Food, filet mignon with carrots and spinach. So something else for Chloe. Actually, there's two of them because there's a Chloe and there's a poo-poo. Miss Brenda sent you that. Oh, she's excited. So that's cat food, but I love that bag. Such a pretty bag. All right, I will be putting that in my purse. Then we have a icing eyeshadow base. Shh, it's okay. And this is, I'm gonna have to get my third eye out because I can't see nothing. And I did order this when I ordered my Michaela palette. It just hasn't come in yet. So this is Classic Vanilla. So I can't wait to use that. I've been waiting on mine to get here, so I'm super excited about that. Then we have Chameleon and Strobe Luminizing Primer by Seraphine Botanicals. So there's that. Then there is a, she taped everything. Brenda make sure your stuff gets to you good. This is a Clean Color White Lies Concealer Stick. Oh, that's cool. And it's purple. Super, super interesting. I can't wait to try that out. Oh, looks like I got a lot of sleep. Okay. I will definitely be trying that out. It smells good. Then we have a Olaplex Hair Perfector number 3. Repairs and strengthens all hair types. Love that. As much as I dye my hair, that will definitely come in handy. Then we have a Alterna Caviar Anti-Aging Replenishing Moisture CC Cream. I'll definitely give that a go. I have been wearing more BBs and CC creams in the summertime. It's just too hot. Then we have a face mask lanyard. That's super cute. I do have to wear my face mask all night at work, so that's super, super cute. I like that. That will definitely come in handy. Then I have Vitamasource Vitamasks multivitamin mask. This is Radiant Complexion. That's what that looks like. Oh, so they're just masks like this, and there are 5 of them in there, so can't wait to try those out. I do like my face masks a lot. Then I have the Pure Iconic Glow Illuminating Face and Body Dry Oil. Stop it. That is what that looks like. I will give you some of your goodies when I get off. Oh, that's super, super pretty. That is what it looks like. It has the dropper on the top. Super, super pretty. I will definitely use that. I love those things. Then I have a Vitalizer BRTC mask. I guess that's a brightening mask. Spell to y'all. This is the next one. Oh, this is my gloss. Now, I wanted Lord Star so bad. It is such a pretty, beautiful purple metallic. And Heaven's Gate. Those were the 2 lip glosses that I've had my eye on for a minute. And she had both of them, so They are just beautiful. They have Heaven's Gate and Lord Star. I mean, with my purple hair, that's just going to match so well. And Heaven's Gate is super, super pretty. It's just a clear sparkle. So I'm super excited about them. The next thing is, what is that? I can't even see it. Okay, I don't know if this is an eyeliner. Is this? Yeah, it's a eyeliner. Flexible tip. Love that. Love that. Okay, then we have this. My dog is being nuts. Oh, these must be the lip liners. I have a whole bunch of new lip liners from Jeffree Star. Boogie, you're moving the camera, honey. So we have Mannequin and it helps if I turn it the right way trying to read them. I don't know. We have a whole bunch of them. I can't see. I don't have enough light on, but there's 5 of them. Those are the colors. We'll definitely use them. I am all about my lip liners. All about them. And I only had 3, so I'm glad to have some more. Then we have Beauty Secrets Superior Nail Products. Washable coarse to medium 100-180 grit nail file. Always love to have those. Then we have this. And this is why Chloe won't stay away. We have a whole bag of doggy goodies, so this is why Bug would not stop. Okay. Come here, Boogie Boogie. I didn't know. I didn't know there was goodies in there. Here, Boo Boo. Yep, those are a win. Then we have a Ring Universal Smartphone Mount. Love that. I did call to get my phone. I dropped my phone again and cracked the screen. I just dropped my phone and cracked my screen maybe a month ago. Just did it again. So I am waiting on a replacement phone. And then I will be getting a case for my phone because enough is enough. So love that. Definitely use that. Then I have Mark Anthony True Professional 100% extra virgin coconut oil and shea butter hydrating curl cream with biotin. That is what that looks like. Then we have e.l.f. What are these? e.l.f. We have Golden Peach and Lilac Petal. Are these highlighters? What are these? They're liquid. Maybe I'm supposed to shake them up first. Alright. Well, I'm going to say that they're highlighters. There is that one. So maybe I should have shook them up first. I will definitely give those a try. I didn't even know e.l.f. had such a thing. Okay. Well, made a big old mess with that. And it's still on there, so longevity, and so is that eyeliner. So that's cool. Alright, the next thing is Confidence in a Cream. This is the Moisturizing Super Cream. This is one of my favorite moisturizers ever, so I'm always excited when I get this in from anywhere. Favorite cream, face cream. And then we have this, and this is, get off of me. This is a True Instant Repair Mask. CBD, instantly repair damage to split ends. So this is for your hair. Restore hydration, instantly improve elasticity, strengthen, and protect hair. Okay. and it's got CBD in it. Oh, that smells so good. Cannot wait to use that. Then I have a brush, Be Beautiful, Be You. This is a Farrah Concealer Brush 30F. That is what it looks like. Love these brushes, this shape, wonderful. And they make really good to get in your crease, a light or a tight line, super stuck into your crease. That brush right there is the one you want. Then I have a banana essence mask and a lovely strawberry mask. So, love both of those. And then last but not least is the palette. And like I said, this is the Lunar Beauty Life's a Drag palette. I did not have this palette. I do now, and I'm super, super thankful to Brenda. She did not have to give up this palette. Being a discontinued palette, I don't know if I could have given it up. But I'm so excited to finally own it. I mean, it's just beautiful. Beautiful. Be a queen. And then that, of course, is what it looks like. Super, super pretty colors. I mean, beautiful. I've been waiting to have this palette for a long, long time, and I'm super excited to finally have it. So I will definitely be doing a look with this. I do hope you come back and check out that look. But that is what I got in my little trade with Miss Brenda. So she always goes above and beyond. Like I said, she's an amazing person. Do check her out on IG. And she's a big Jeffree Star fanatic like I am, so she's wonderful to trade with. But I will say, if you're going to trade with somebody, do it right. Make it equal. I mean, agree. And then send your stuff out. Don't hold it for a month. I know so many YouTubers that do giveaways or sell makeup that might take them a month and a half before you actually get your stuff. So don't be those people. Do what you're supposed to. Make sure it's a fair, even trade, and both parties are agreeance on it. Brenda, I greatly appreciate it. Chloe's ready for another snack. I don't know what these are, but she likes these too. And I do greatly appreciate the trade. I can't wait till you get your bag. So I'm going to let y'all go. Do like the video. Give me a comment. If you're new here, hi, I'm Becca. Sorry. Please do hit that subscribe button. Come back and see what else we're doing. And until next time, guys, stay beautiful. And remember, nothing is impossible. Even the word itself says I'm possible. Till next time.